Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have Lewis Fitzgerald, always welcomed here on Gordon Guitar. And he is slowly building up the portfolio here on this channel. We have a couple of songs with him before and more to come, hopefully. So this one is called Easy. All right, so it's based upon 3 chords, and we're gonna handle them in the easiest way with the capo set on the 1st fret. So let's go for that. Capo put there on the 1st fret, and let's go over the 3 chords. We're gonna use D minor first, and that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Next chord is F, which is a bar chord. So place your index finger on the 1st fret, you push down, all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, 2nd on G, and the final chord is C. All right, so that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so that will be the chord progression that goes round and round from the beginning till the very end, and we'll come to the strumming soon. But first, we will look into the notes that are used here in this song. Maybe not necessary, and maybe it's just some added material, but you can use it if you want to. So for D minor, it's played like this, just 2 notes, and that will be 5th fret on D string, A string, and 3rd fret on D, and that's the D minor part. We have then the F part. It's played on the 3rd fret D string and 2nd G. And then for the C chord, you just move up 1 string and you're gonna play that part, which is the 3rd fret A string with 2nd fret D. So, like this. And there's a longer pause after you play the D minor than it is later between the other chords, because the value of D minor is longer. And we're going to look into that right now. You're going to see that with the strumming. So if you go to the 1st chord, the D minor now, we have 1 full string around play there. It sounds like this. Okay, and this is just my take on the strumming. You can do this in different ways, so don't hang me for that. This is how I would play it if I would perform this song. And of course, it's not a guitar played very prominent in this song, so that means you can translate it to different strumming patterns, okay? So, with that said, the first part of that strumming will be down, down, up, clap, down, like this. So, down, down, up, clap, down. Then you have a pause, and then comes part 2, which will be down, clap, down. That's it. So if you put these 2 parts together, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. And so on. All right, so we have the strumming D minor, 1 full round. Then comes F, part 1, the down, down, up, clap, down. And then C, part 2, down, clap, down. And that's it. So a couple of rounds with D minor 1, F part 1, and C part 2 goes like this. And that's it. It's very easy. From Lewis Fitzgerald with the song called Easy. So good luck with this one, guys. Another nice song for Lewis, and make sure you subscribe to this channel and get more songs from Gordon Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.